Today we are discussing about the topic for the unit of 5. It is called the subject of B8251 Basic Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Here, so unit 5 Fundamental of Communication Engineering. Fundamental of Communication Engineering. The topics are discussed in this area: types of signals, analog and digital signals, modulation and demodulation, principle of amplitude and frequency modulation, communication systems, radio, television, fax, microwave communication, satellite communication, optical fiber communication. Introduction about the communication. Communication is the basic process of exchanging information. It is what human beings do to convey their thoughts, ideas and feelings to one to another. Although human beings have always communicated face to face due to the development of new technology like telephone, telegraph, radio, TV, radar and etc. And other developments have further increased our ability to communicate those reduce the barriers of human communication. Signals. Signal can be defined as physical quantity that carry some information which varies with time, space or any other independent variable. Types of signal: analog signal, digital signal. So here we are discussing about the topic for that analog signal. An analog signal is any continuous signal for which the time varying future variable of the signal is a representation of some other time varying quantity. Analysis to another time varying signal, it differs from a digital signal in terms of small fluctuations in the signal which are meaningful. Digital signals. So in this area we discuss about this topic for the digital signal. A digital signal uses discrete or discontinuous values, by contrast or non-digital or analog systems use a continuous range of values to represent information, although digital representation are the discrete values. Modulation and demodulation. Modulation means it is the process of modifying the characteristics of one signal in accordance with some characteristics of another signal. Demodulation means it is the process of extracting the original message signal from the modulated signal at the receiver. Types of modulation: amplitude modulation, frequency modulation. Amplitude modulation means modulating signal and carrier wave frequency signal can be modulated, means by using this amplitude modulator can be getting that output for amplitude modulated carrier wave containing in the frequency value of carrier frequency and modulating frequency difference values. So it is a represent that voltage or current output values. The sinusoidal modulating signals, voltage or current output for the unmodulated sinusoidal carrier wave, the modulating output signals are represented in these diagrams. So here amplitude modulation is the plus frequency deviation multiplexing. The way of solving is the problems. Each conversion is shifted to a different part of frequency spectrum by using I wave to carry each individual frequency speech signals. Those high frequencies are called carrier frequencies. The amplitude of the modulation signals can be depends upon the modulating vary the amplitude modulation signals. The modulated carrier wave has a constant peak value and higher frequency than the modulating signals, but when the modulating signal is applied, the peak value of carrier varies in accordance with the instantaneous values of the modulating signal. The outline and the shape of the or envelope of the modulated wave peak values is the same as the original modulating signal wave shape. The modulating signal waveform has been superimposed on the wave when a carrier wave of frequency is sinusoidal amplitude values. So the signal can be modulated carrier wave contains into three frequencies. One is the original carrier frequencies, another one is the sum of carrier and modulating signal frequencies, third one is the difference between carrier and modulating signals. Amplitude modulation. Modulating signals and radio frequency signals are combined together, that is called the amplitude modulations. Frequency modulations, carrier signals, the modulating signals, it is combined together, that is called modulating signals for the frequency modulation. Frequency modulation, the most obvious method of applying modulation to a signal is to superimpose the audio signal onto the amplitude of the carrier. However, this is by no means the only method which can be applied. Frequency modulation is the process of varying the instantaneous frequency of the carrier signals. It can be seen that the frequency of the signal varies as the following: as the voltage modulating, the amount by which the signal frequency varies is very important. This signal is known as the deviation, or normally quoted as the number of kilohertz. As an example, the signal may be have the deviation of plus or minus 3 kilohertz. In this case, the carrier is made to move up and down by 3 kilohertz FM values. The communication systems. The communication systems information source, that is called, you can send that picture, the speech data, etc. Input transfers, and input transfer means non-electrical signal is converted into the electrical signals. It is passing through that transmitter, information in the electrical form in the transmitter sections. Next, the channel, through the channel, and this channel is delivered that signals, audio signals, and communication systems. At the same time, noise is mixed in these channels. Next, receiver section to receive the original signals. To connect the output transistors, non-electrical signal is connected to that electrical signals. The information is connected to this original form of connected to the output sections.